Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Nordea something went wrong error. First, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can trigger this error. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches are a common cause of this problem. Then restart your phone to clear system issues that may affect the app's performance. Make sure the app is updated. Head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for Nordea, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Update also fix bugs that cause errors like this. Now, if you're using a app for transactions, try again after a few minutes before the error can also happen due to temporary server issues. If the error continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Nordea Mobile Banking app, and reinstall the app again from there. This will remove any corrupted data. That's how you fix the Nordea something went wrong error. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.